Extend, pause, and return. Again, keep your core tight. Focus on maintaining proper position. Starting position, feet hip width apart, toes pointed forward. We're gonna bend over at the hips, lowering ourselves down to about a 45-degree angle. Keeping our core tight, we're gonna pull the dumbbells back, reaching the elbows up towards the ceiling. From this position, extending the arms so they're parallel to the ground, then returning back to the previous position. We're gonna perform 15 reps total. You ready? Let's go. Extend, pause, and return. Again, keep your core tight. Focus on maintaining proper position. Take your time. Excellent. Squeeze each time at the top. Great job. And again, keep that core tight to help you maintain your position. Great job. And 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Control it back. Excellent. Great job.